Top 10 Best Portable Electric Juice Blenders in 2025. Blend anywhere, anytime. In today's fast-paced world, health and convenience go hand in hand. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast, a traveler, or someone who simply loves fresh smoothies on the go, a portable electric juice blender can be your best companion. In 2025, the market is flooded with innovative, sleek, and highly efficient personal blenders that cater to all lifestyles. We've done the hard work for you and compiled the top 30 best portable electric juice blenders in 2025 based on performance, design, battery life, customer reviews, and value for money. What to look for in a portable blender in 2025. Before jumping into the list, here are a few essential factors to consider: battery life and charging. Look for a blender with a strong lithium-ion battery and fast USB-C charging. Blade strength. Stainless steel 4 or 6 blade systems offer better blending of ice and frozen fruits. Portability. Lightweight, compact, and travel-friendly design. Capacity typically ranges from 350 milliliters to 600 milliliters. Choose based on your needs. Safety features: auto shut-off, anti-slip. Design: BPA-free materials. Top 10 best portable electric juice blenders in 2025. BlendJet 2. Portable blender. Capacity: 475 milliliters. Battery: 4000 mAh, USB-C. Why it's great. Compact yet powerful. With turbojet technology. Ideal for smoothies and protein shakes. NutriBullet GO. Capacity: 370 milliliters. Battery: 2000 mAh. Why it's great. Trusted brand, reliable performance, ultra-light. Design: Pop Baby's personal blender. Capacity: 500 milliliters. Battery: rechargeable. Special feature: can blend while charging. iX Sound Personal Blender Pro. Capacity: 600 milliliters. Blades: 6-point stainless steel. Best for crushing ice and nuts. Lahuco Portable Blender. Capacity: 380 milliliters. Battery: 2400 mAh. Pros: 1 button cleaning, BPA-free. Oster Blend Active Go. Fast charging, strong motor. Detachable. Jar. 10-swirl mini blender. Blades: 6 sharp blades. Portable cup with lid. Perfect for travel or gym. Hamilton Beach Personal Blender. Classic design. Dishwasher safe jar. COKUNST Rechargeable. Blender. Eco-friendly, lightweight. Good for small portion blending. GREECHO Portable Blender. Smart. Safety design. Leak-proof design and one-handed use. Blenders with innovative features. Potch. Portable smoothie blender. Magnetic safety switch. Fast charging with USB-C. Klein Tools Rechargeable. Blender. Heavy-duty design. Great for outdoor enthusiasts. Vicova USB blender. Dual charging ports. LED display for battery status. Spoli Personal Blender. Smart memory function. Auto clean mode. SupKitDin Smoothie Blender 12-second fast blending. Minimal noise output. Best for smoothie lovers and health enthusiasts. QCUQ Mini Blender. Comes with silicone straw. Lightweight and chic. Look. Timacy Portable Juicer Cup. Multi-protection safety system. Built-in filter. Modern comfort. Portable blender. Premium glass bottle. Powerful motor designed for modern-day active lifestyles. Eco-friendly. Reduces use of plastic bottles. Blend and drink from the same jar. Where to buy the best portable blenders? You can find most of these products on AliExpress. Official brand websites. Look for products with verified buyer reviews, warranty, and return policies. Final thoughts. The demand for personal, portable blenders is skyrocketing in 2025, and for good reason. Whether you want to maintain your health routine or just enjoy fresh juice anywhere, investing in a quality portable electric juice blender is totally worth it. From the compact and sleek BlendJet 2 to the powerful and travel-ready AMZCHEF, there's a perfect blender for every lifestyle. Choose wisely and start blending your way to a healthier, tastier, and more convenient life. VOLTRX Portable Blender Pro. Specialty. Self-cleaning system with touch control. Battery, 5000 mAh, long-lasting. Performance. Why it's special. Made for gym goers and protein lovers. Stylish design with modern tech. 32. High Life USB blender bottle. Blades, 4-leaf titanium alloy. Features, smart LED light. Charging status, non-slip base. Best for quick protein shakes and baby food blending. 33. Cuisinart. Go Blend 600. Brand trust. From the reliable kitchen giant. Design, ergonomic bottle grip, silent. Motor. Extras. Comes with 2 lids, one for sipping, one for storage. 34. Keaton KPB PBLD. Portable juicer. Highlight. Durable ABS body, splash-resistant lid. Ideal for college students and office use. 35. Brentwood JB 199 USB mini blender. Battery life, up to 25 blends per charge. Standout, vintage look, lightweight and colorful. Extra perk. One touch pulse blend. 36. Y USB. Smart blender bottle. Smart integration. Connects via Bluetooth to your phone. Track nutrition and calories via app. Looks, futuristic LED lit base. 37. LEMSOX Personal Blender X7. Power, 7 stainless. Steel blades, rare in portables. Great for frozen fruits and ice crushing. Tech, intelligent. Anti-overload motor. 38. Fusion Guard Travel Blender. Design, military-grade plastic. Extreme. Durability. Battery. Solar rechargeable in emergency situations. Perfect for hikers, campers, and survival kits. 39. Fresh Sip Juicer Bottle Pro. Eco-friendly, made from recycled ocean. Plastic. Minimalist look. Matte finish, leak-proof. Bonus. Comes with fruit infuser stick. 40. Milli Power Ultra Portable Blender. Hybrid use, works as power bank for your phone. Extras, digital. Display, 20-second auto stop. Good for tech lovers who love juice too. Bonus tips for choosing the best portable blender. For daily use, pick a 6-blade blender with a 4000 mAh battery. For travel, go for lightweight, shockproof, and USB-C charging models. For fitness, choose one that blends protein without clumps and fits gym bags. For looks, matte finish or glass jars give a premium feel. BioChef Go Mini Juice Blender. Specialty, BPA-free 3-ton body, quiet motor. Capacity, 500 milliliters. Ideal for early morning blending without waking the house. 42. TOOSEA Portable Blender. Feature, 4D spiral blade for better mixing. Battery, 3000 mAh. Cool factor, includes a carry strap and fruit filter. 43. Katsu V2 Rechargeable Juicer Cup. Capacity, 420 milliliters. Blades, 6 stainless. Steel ultra fast rotating. Pros, 20 blends per charge, USB chargeable anywhere. 44. Decent travel. Smoothie blender. Extras, safety lock, LED indicator, auto shut off. Specialty, includes extra travel. Lid for on-the-go sipping. 45. Magic Tech Personal Blender. Battery, dual cell battery with fast charging. Use 10 to 15 smoothies per charge. Vibe, minimal design with strong build. 46. XMX Portable Smart Blender. Unique feature, touchscreen control panel. Modes, soft blend, hard blend. Auto clean, ideal for gadget geeks and style-conscious users. 47. Dash Blend and Go. Well-known brand, reliable motor. Bottle capacity, 550 milliliters with insulated bottle design. Value, comes with 2 blending cups in the box. 48. Philips Mini Travel Blender. Brand trust, from household favorite. Brand, safe and efficient. Anti-slip, auto cut, overheat protection. Smoothie quality, very creamy. Texture, thanks to high RPM. 49. JockU Sports Smoothie Blender. Design, stylish and ergonomic. Use, smoothies, juices, sauces, baby food. Extras, filter for pulp-free juice. 50. Eversmart Rechargeable Blender Bottle. Hybrid feature. Can blend and heat warm shakes. Battery. 5200 mAh heating. Plate. Innovation. Great for warm protein mixes and baby milk. These choices may be out of date. All of these products may not be in stores. We don't know when this will be back in stock. You need to go Best Electric Juice Blender 2025 review link to see the most recent updates to the list. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this channel.